You guys remember my SIG Sauer 556R, right? The AK variant. The barrel on it has no muzzle device at all. So I ordered this clamp-on muzzle brake from Machine, Duracoated. Man, it looks really good. I'll put this on tonight. Make sure it fits and all. It's Machine. Ken Whitman's the guy's name. He sounds like a real stand-up guy. The email communications I had with him, he said, I don't have calipers, and I told him I don't have calipers, and he said, don't worry about it, just put in there. He looked up on the SIG website and said, looks like, this is the dimension of your barrel. I'll cut it, send it to you. If it doesn't fit, send it back. I'll cut it till it's right. So, real stand-up guy, and we'll see how it fits tonight. More on that in a minute. Alright guys, here we have something for my SIG 556R. Check it out. It is a muzzle device that is clamp-on. That's right. If you recall, my SIG 556R did not come with a it did not come with a threaded barrel. So what I did is I looked online and I found a website called Machine, and what this guy does is he makes a lot of compensators. They're both threaded barrels. Or for unthreaded barrels, you can get a clamp on. So let's put it on. Alright, so this is what the barrel looks like. Sans compensator. So the instructions say to add 8 to 10 drops of blue Loctite to the barrel and smear it around, and this is to act as a lubricant. Now this barrel already, the compensator already fits on the barrel pretty good, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it on here as he suggested, because I think it'll also act as it's intended to, as a glue. You can see that inside the brake is those channels, and I think that the Loctite should work its way in there. Alright, it's on. I'll be right back. Okay, so once it's on, the instructions are to place a drop of the Loctite on the screws. Obviously, it's a good idea. Keep everything nice and tight so your muzzle brake doesn't become a projectile. Also, I guess I could just leave those in there. Probably best to just go ahead and take them out. So, these 3 screws out. Make the blue lock tight. Sorry for the sound, I'm sure it's not very loud. So just put a drop on each one as per the directions. Sorry about this, my setup is not really very good for this area. Then now I'm gonna have to take it off the table so I can line it up. Alright, I think that's it. Right there. Now, I'll get you a better look at it whenever I get it tightened up. So, once you get them on there, snug them up until you start feeling like they're tightening. And then, instructions were no more than half a turn each. So, I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to do quarter turns. Alright. Well, let's go get some better shots of it then.